Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English with Muna podcast, where you learn English through simple and real conversations. I'm Muna.
And I'm Mahim. If you want to speak English more confidently, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is very exciting and super useful. English conversation questions for beginners.
Yes, if you want to improve your speaking, you need to practice answering questions.
That's true. Many learners understand English, but when someone asks a question, they don't know how to respond.
Exactly. So in today's episode, we will practice simple and common conversation questions together.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything easy, natural, and beginner-friendly. All right, Mahim, where should beginners start?
The best place to start is with basic personal questions.
Like what?
For example, what's your name?
That's easy. The answer is, my name is Muna.
Good. Another question, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Perfect. One more. What do you do?
I am a student. Or, I work in a shop.
Exactly. These questions are very common in daily conversations.
All right, what's next?
Next, you should practice questions about your daily life.
Okay, give me an example.
What do you do every day?
I wake up early, go to work, and study in the evening.
Great answer. Another question. What do you do in your free time?
I watch YouTube and practice English.
Nice. See how simple that is?
Yes, just use basic sentences. What about talking about things we like?
Good point. This is very important. For example, what do you like to do?
I like playing football.
Or, what kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
You can also talk about dislikes.
Like, I don't like waking up early.
Same here.
Mahim, I noticed something. You ask me questions, but I just answer.
Good observation. That's why this tip is very important. You should also ask questions back.
Oh, like a real conversation.
Exactly. For example, what about you? Or, and you?
So if someone asks me, what do you do in your free time? I answer and then say, what about you?
Perfect. That keeps the conversation going.
All right, last tip?
Yes, the final tip is practice speaking out loud every day.
Even if I'm alone?
Yes, you can ask yourself questions and answer them.
That sounds a bit funny, talking to myself.
It may feel funny, but it works.
Okay, let me try. What's your name? My name is Muna.
Great, that's how you build confidence.
All right, Mahim, let's do a short practice.
Let's go. What's your name?
My name is Muna. What about you?
I'm Mahim. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. And you?
Same here. What do you do?
I work and also practice English. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Nice. That was a simple and natural conversation.
Now let's learn some useful words.
The first word is conversation.
A conversation means talking with someone.
Example, I had a conversation with my friend.
Next word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to improve. Example, I practice speaking every day. Another word is free time.
Free time means time when you are not busy.
Example, I watch movies in my free time.
And the last word is confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Example, practice builds confidence.
Let's quickly review today's lesson.
First, practice basic personal questions.
Second, talk about your daily life.
Third, talk about your likes and dislikes. Fourth,
Ask questions back to continue the conversation.
and finally, practice speaking out loud every day.
And that's the end of today's episode on the English with Muna podcast.
We hope this helps you practice English conversations with confidence.
Now it's your turn. Try these questions and answers today.
And don't forget to like, subscribe to English with Muna, and share this with your friends.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, happy learning.